about to go walk up Fushimi Inari Shrine. It takes us 35 minutes to get there, so we're gonna walk there and then walk up it. Quick snack. I feel like surprisingly there's actually more people up than I would have thought.
Yeah, no, definitely.
You sick?
I'm aggressive now.
No. Hello. This is what we woke up early for.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So, we're already most of the way up the mountain, and we then see this. Stairs of death.
Carry me. Hello.
So we just did the Fushimi Inari Shrine. Definitely worth it. Well, at least I think.
Yeah, no, I think it was. It was just
pretty sore now.
freaking hard.
If you're a cat lover, definitely do it, because
Definitely stopped for every
friendly
single
cats.
cat there.
everywhere.
Yeah, they come up to you and they'll like meow at you.
Bigger than 7-Elevens. This is crazy. Like, this is like,
So this is a 100 yen Lawson.
if I had to list like my top 3 things to come to Japan, it would honestly be the convenience stores.
Let's see. Literally, this huge thing. 100 yen. These are 100 yen, but they're still cheap.
A little bit. You're going alright.
So this morning we went on our hike and then came back and we died. We had a nap and then we've just had showers and I've gotten ready, washed my hair and all that. And then I think we're gonna go get some lunch now because I think it's almost 12 o'clock, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like 12 now, so.
But to
we
be
are
fair,
hungry.
like we've already done like a hike, so it's fine.
The day is accomplished. We've accomplished the day already, so we can just kind of do whatever we want now.
Yeah, so I think we're just gonna go get lunch and then just walk around for a bit. I don't know, probably nothing.
Have a chill day.
Yeah, nothing really planned. Yeah. really want ramen right now. Oh, I am so freaking keen to eat this. My wish came true.
She got ramen.
Addicted to cheese tarts. We're trying a blueberry one. That beef was so good, and whatever that stuff is, like garlic, it's so nice.
It's amazing.
Oh, yum. I'm not getting enough of this.